So come with me guys, let me show us on how to download Nigeria Shorts Funny Comedy Sound. Nigeria Shorts Funny, all those small small sound, they are very funny. So there's a way you can download them on your phone. You can install the app and download them to your manager, your file manager. So anytime you want to post, or you're about to you post a video, you can actually chip them in your videos. Okay, to download Nigeria Short Funny Sound. So go to your Play Store. No, me, I'm using mobile, I say mobile, smartphone, right? So just go to your Play Store. Yeah, click on, just search, click on search, then type Nigeria, Nigeria comedy, comedy sound effects. You see am ba? See Nigeria comedy sound effects 2024. We have lots of them. So let me click on this. Okay. So look at them. Super funny ringtones and sound. Funny SMS ringtone. No, we don't want this. We see Nigeria comedy sound effects. See the one I installed. So you just click on any one you want that will give you what you want. Like me, I think I installed like three of them, because what I'll get in one I might not get in the other one. So I installed three of them. So let me click on the one I installed here. One of them, then open. I've already installed it, so let me open it. So look at Brother Shaggy. It shock you. Let me play it. Let me play it. So you just click on this play symbol. Alright, okay, click on here. So it will play now. I think it's not ready. So now it has been downloaded, but I don't suppose to first download it. So you see download manager, just click on this download manager. Mm, you see, it shock you. This is one of the funny sound. So we have lots of them. Mm, we have lots of them. Why are you running? Look at this. What you want? See, there is God. Oh, look at this one. So that's it, guys. We have lots of them. Study suspense. Something about to happen. Our mumu not too much. So we actually have lots of them. Apostle, we hear of this. You know. So if you go back and download another one, you still get another set of funny sound effects, short funny sound effects that you can actually put in. You know what I mean now. You can you can use for your videos that will make it more hilarious. So that's it, guys. So go to Play Store, download Nigeria Short Funny Comedy Sound. So that's it.